welcome back to my channel. My name is Kara, and today I'm talking about different apps that I've tried to use to earn money. I'm talking about a couple different apps. The first one is, it used to be called Achievement, now it's called Evidation. The second one is Sweatcoin. And the third one is an app called Lucky Steps, I think. But this one is kind of old and I couldn't find it recently, and it honestly was not worth it either. So I'll talk about that one only briefly. These are apps that I probably downloaded in college, trying to make a little bit of extra money, and I'm going to tell you which one is worth it and which one is not. To start off, Sweatcoin is very confusing. I opened the app and it looks like I'm in some sort of virtual reality world, and when I earn coins, you can't use them to directly pay anything. There is an option to use them towards a donation, which is the one I've been leaning towards because by now they've added up. But the thing is, you can't buy anything. You can't direct deposit that money to yourself. What you have to do is either donate them or you can buy these different offers that they have. But I mean, you always have to be worried about things that are on sale because they're just trying to get you to spend your money to save money, which is really just you spending your money. So all the things that they have had offers on that you can buy with your coins have not been things that I've wanted to buy or needed to buy in the least. So I haven't used that at all really, and my Sweatcoin app is pretty inactive. I don't really do anything with it. Both of these apps I have connected to my Fitbit app and maybe my Apple Health app also. I have them connected to my Fitbit, which is really useful because if it's only connected to the Apple Health app, it gets far less steps because I don't carry my phone with me everywhere. But obviously this watch is always on me, so it's getting all those steps. Now the Achievement app, I just keep calling it Achievement. They changed the name. It's called Evidation now. I don't know what that means, but that app counts a lot of different aspects of the things that my Fitbit does, like tracking sleep, tracking a workout, taking steps. All of those things are counted in, and then it gives me like, you got +6 points for this, +3 points for tracking sleep, and all these different things. So it tracks more than just the steps, and the points, they take a while to add up, maybe a few months, but at the end of the day, the promise that they made is true, which is that once you get to 10,000 points, you can then exchange them for $10. I got to 10,000 and eventually I was able to get a PayPal credit, $10. So I sent that right to my bank and now I'm up $10. So that app is legit, and I think there's no problems with it because it doesn't require you to do anything. So there was another one that was called like Lucky Step or something. If you got 200 steps, you would have to tap in intervals of 10 until you got to 200 in order to earn those steps. It required you to be in the app, taking up your time. That was something I did not like. This one is just totally independent. It does it all on its own. It'll earn the points even if you never open the app, as long as you have it connected, for example, to your Apple Health, or for me, I have it connected to my Fitbit app. Lucky Steps, it was just one of those that has a lot of ads, and mainly we're earning points by watching ads, and to be able to claim your steps, you had to watch an ad. It was not the best. You had to get a lot of points to be able to get any sort of money or credit or anything. But Achievement, that one is the real deal. That one I actually got a PayPal credit for $10. I'll show you right here some proof. I highly recommend it, and if you want to make an account on Achievement, I'll link it below. This is just a fun way to make an extra $10 every few months with no effort required on your part. They do send me an email every week saying how much I earned that week, and there are a few offers that you can do, like if you read an article, you'll get 3 points. If you take this survey, you'll get a few points. Once I said the word survey, it sounds kind of sketchy. But most of the time their surveys are just one question. Right now they're doing a flu tracking thing. So they ask me every once in a while, are you experiencing any flu symptoms? Were you exposed to the flu in the past few days? It's not like taking surveys for money or anything like that. Anyways, this is just a quick video to share with you guys how you can make $10 just by walking, not even requiring you to open the app until you want to get your money, obviously. Right now I'm super close to getting another $10. If you want to download this app, you can use my link and then we'll both get some points. So I will put that below, and with that I'll conclude my video. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.